What's up with it, y'all?
My
Mother life out here with you again. And it's hot. As y'all can see, I tried to go fishing a few minutes ago. That didn't turn out right.
What is this?
But I know y'all have been saying something about these quick videos. If y'all understood the Mississippi heat, y'all would understand why these videos be quick.
I'm pretty sure your shirt gonna explain it all. Your shirt gonna explain it all.
I already got stung by a wasp. And now, I mean, in the head at that. Now I'm just ready to go in the house. And I really ready to be like, forget the video. But we just got us a couple cheap locks. And the other day, we had a lock, and I was finna shoot it off. I thought I didn't have a key to it. So we got a small one and a big one. We're gonna first take the small one and put a 38 special through it. We got one set up over there. We're gonna take the other small one, put a 357 through it. And then whichever one go through, we're gonna put it against the bigger one. If I can aim and hit it. But I actually think I'm over here, bro. I actually think the 38 special is going. I don't know if it's gonna make it through, but I know if I can hit it, I don't know if it's gonna make it through. But I know that 357 will make it through if I hit it. I think so anyway. So we're gonna give it a shot, and I hope my aim good because I ain't bringing 4 bullets. Y'all know I be pulling them out my pocket, and all I got is 4. So first up, like I said,
walk around with spare ammunition.
Let me turn these on. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. Bag up juice so you can get me in frame. Busting up. Hope my aim good, y'all.
And I don't think your coverage gonna cover me getting hit with shrapnel. That's where it hit it?
Yep.
So where did that piece of metal come from?
I don't know. It could have been out there. Well, no, because that's the bullet stuck to it. As y'all see, the 38 special didn't even go through. Look at it. It deformed it a little bit. Y'all see? It deformed it a little bit, but it didn't even go through. So we can shoot that one again. Now let's try the 357 magnum. We're gonna bag up a little more. I hope my cameraman getting all the angles. We're gonna bag up a little more now and try that one. I did not have my hair protection on.
What's with the loose ammunition, Tim? Oh my God.
I missed it on both times, y'all. Cut. Let me go get some more bullets.
And this Mississippi heat is blazing. Real, it is blazing.
You cool? Yeah, stop and start it. This ain't here for me to hit that. You know if oh, watch it. We'll put the big one. I'm just gonna go and sit the big one out there. Forget it. Let me aim up a little higher. I'm hitting right up under it.
I wish you would fucking hit this motherfucker. Shit.
Well, there go the second hit. As you see, and I'm out of 357. So we're gonna have to come back to that one anyway. So we're gonna hold this on for another time. But 38 special, we'll not even go through a cheap Dollar General lock. But anyway, I'm gonna go try to get some more bullets. If I do get some today, because they've been out in my area where I go get them from. If I get some more, I'll redo this video. And if not, catch you next time.